Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing of the two items I purchased for my bike. So I got these items from Lazada, and sa sobrang excited ko, na-open ko na agad yung pinaka main box. And as you can see, in-unwrap ko na agad yung tape doon. Okay, so these two items came all the way from China. So the first one is the front lamp for my bike. It's Rockbros 600, meaning 600 lumens yung brightness niya. And kitang-kita niyo naman, solid yung package. It took roughly 5 days to arrive here. But the good thing is, there are no bumps in the box. So we'll see later if the package is A-okay. Alright, and the second one, syempre kung meron tayong lamp sa harap, meron din tayong taillight. I just got a little bit surprised here kasi itong taillight, it doesn't say Rockbros for the branding in the box unless you check the barcode at the bottom. And there you go, that's a barcode where you can see it's Rockbros. It's a little bit different from the model I purchased previously from my other bike, yung Bilog. Pero it's the same rechargeable, waterproof, and red tail lamp. Yan, USB charging. I think this one is micro USB-B, yung type ng charge niya. And we're gonna find out later. Okay, so these are the two items. Okay, let's get it on. Alright guys, so for our first item, let's check the rear tail lamp. Ayan. So sabi ko nga kanina, nagulat ako ng konti kasi walang nakalagay na Rockbros, pero nakita naman natin yung barcode and we're guaranteed na Rockbros yung brand niya. So I bought this model because kakaiba yung shape niya compared dun sa first taillight ko, which is a circular one. But the good thing about it is it's the same rechargeable, waterproof, and bright na taillight. It's made of durable plastic. It's also lightweight. As you can see, the quality is, I would say, is great for the price. I'll put the price in the description box later. And now I'm trying to open yung charging port niya. Ang hirap niya buksan, which is a good thing kasi we can be guaranteed na hindi papasok yung tubig kapag dumaan tayo sa paddle or kapag nag-ride tayo ng umuulan. Maganda yun kasi at least sure tayo na hindi siya papasokan ng tubig, kasi we all know what happens pag pinasokan ng tubig yung charging port. And there you go, buksan na siya. So I think this one is a micro USB type B for the charging port. Yan, balik na natin. And this is your safety lock that you're gonna put in the main connector for your seat post. Okay, so again, it's made of durable plastic. The quality is good and it's lightweight. And there you go guys, please don't look directly at the light kasi baka masira yung mata nyo. So I had to use the camera to look at the light. So there you go, there are 3 light modes. First one is the brightest one, next one is a little bit dimmer, then the third one is yung blinking mode niya. So I forgot the term, but I remember, I think there's a correct term about that, yung nagbe-blink. Okay, so this one is the lock that connects to your seat post, made of durable plastic as well. And next is, of course, it's the rubber band that you will tie up to your seat post to connect the lamp itself. And of course guys, be careful kasi if you stretch this too much and naputol siya, masya kapalit, hindi nyo siya makakakabit sa seat post nyo kasi nag-iisa lang siya dun sa package. And here's your charging cable and of course your user's manual. Okay, the user's manual comes in Chinese and English, so you can see the instructions on how to install it in your bike, and it's pretty easy. And your charging duration, kung gaano siya katagal i-charge and how long the battery lasts depending on the light mode that you will use. Okay, so let's wait for the next video. Ikakabit natin siya sa bike natin. Alright, thank you. Okay, so next naman natin buksan itong front lamp. Okay, so it's the Rockbros RHL 600. There's your barcode to confirm that it's a legitimate item. The box is also silky smooth. Walang dents, walang bumps, walang scratches. Okay, let's open it up. Can't wait to use this sa night ride or sa early morning ride. So this will be used for my new bike. So I picked this color because red is my favorite color. And red din yung kulay ng bike ko. Okay, so look at that gradient red finish. Okay. There you go. Silky smooth finish. Look at that. The branding. There's your power button at the top. That's your lamp. Here's the bottom view. Here's the side view. That's your model. And that's your charging indicator. Again, that's your power button. This is your rear view. Made of plastic, yung likod. And that's your safety connector dun sa strap. And of course, ang ating charging port. Now, let's open it up. And surprise! It's a USB Type-C. Okay, so pag Type-C, meaning mabilis mag-charge. Okay, suabe. Next. This is our strap where you're gonna attach the lamp and strap it up in your handlebar. And be careful, kasi tulad nung tail lamp natin, nag-iisa lang tong strap. So pag napatid siya while you are installing it, wala na siyang kapalit. So be extra careful when putting it in your handlebar. And of course, this is your charging cable. So you can attach this into any USB adapter. Pwede rin sa laptop, sa PC, anything that has a USB port to charge your bike lamp. Siyempre, ang ating user's manual. So this comes into Chinese and English. So it tells you the parts of the tail lamp, the description, and your product installation steps. Madali lang naman siya ikabit. You just have to wrap it around sa inyong handlebar. Okay, and this one, it's your 5 lighting modes nung lamp. So the first mode is the brightest one at 600 lumens. Then it goes dimmer up to the 5th mode, which is yung blinking mode niya. So of course, the dimmer the lamp, then the longer the battery will last. And here's your warranty guide. So guys, I'll create another video or the part 2 of this video para mapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano siya kaliwanag. Try natin siya pag madilim na. Kakabit natin dun sa bike itself. Then we're gonna test it. See how it looks like in action. Okay, thanks for watching guys and see you in the next video.